Hi, everyone, and welcome back to mksenglish.com, your place to grow your English skills with real life topics, clear explanations, and of course, fun practice. Today's topic is all about something we do every single day: giving and following instructions. That's right. From making breakfast to fixing your Wi Fi, instructions are absolutely everywhere. So grab a notebook if you want to take notes, and let's get started. Have you ever tried to follow a recipe, build furniture, or even explain how to play a game in English? Giving clear instructions is an important skill. And it's not just for teachers or bosses. It's useful in conversations at work and even online. Today we're going to learn how to understand and give step-by-step instructions. We're going to use common phrases and sentence patterns. And you'll also practice listening and speaking with a short activity at the end. So let's start with some useful phrases. When we give instructions, we often use imperative verbs. That means the base form of the verb. For example, turn on the light, turn. Cut the paper in half, cut. Fold the paper twice. The very basic dictionary form of the verbs. Also, when we give instructions, we use sequencing words to show the order of steps. First, then, next. Words like that. For example, first, boil the water. Then, add the noodles. Next, stir them gently. Can you hear that order? These words help the listener to understand what to do step by step. All right, so let's practice. You're going to want to have a piece of paper for this. We're going to do some origami. I'm going to give you some instructions. You have to listen, or if you're watching, watch the video, and try to imagine or follow along if you have paper. Are you ready? Here we go. First, take a piece of paper. Then fold it in half from top to bottom. Next, fold the top corners down to the center. After that, fold the bottom of the paper up on both of the sides. Finally, hold the bottom part, and you've made a paper pirate hat. How did you do? Does your paper look like a pirate hat? If not, don't worry. The most important thing is listening carefully, and if you want, try again. So now it's your turn. I want you to choose something you do often. Maybe making coffee, or getting ready for bed, or brushing your teeth. Pause this episode and try to explain the steps out loud in your own voice in English. Try to use words like first, then, next, and finally. Oh, also, of course, remember to use imperative verbs like brush, put on, or boil. Go ahead, give it a try. I'll wait. Great job, even if it was a little difficult. Just practicing helps your brain to get used to organizing and expressing ideas and steps clearly in English. Okay, let's review. Today, you learned how to use imperative verbs and sequencing words, follow clear instructions, and also give your own step-by-step explanations. Now, hey, I can't let you just go away. I have to give you some homework. Write down instructions for a task you know well. Maybe how to use your favorite app, or how to make your favorite dish. Even instant ramen is okay. Then, practice reading it out loud. I recommend recording yourself so you can listen if you make any mistakes, and you can also check your pronunciation. If you send me a link on my YouTube channel or website at mksenglish.com, I can give you some free tips on how to improve. And hey, if you do want to learn more with me, do be sure to check out my website, mksenglish.com, for online lessons, self-study courses, English tip blogs, and more. Don't forget to follow or subscribe for more real-life English tips and practice. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time on mksenglish.com.